I love dancing. 1. I love dancing very much. 2. Dancing is my favorite hobby. 3. I dance every day at home. 4. I dance when I hear music. 5. Dancing makes me happy. 6. I dance with my friends. 7. I dance at birthday parties. 8. I also dance in school shows. 9. My family claps when I dance. 10. My teacher says I dance well. 11. I watch dance videos to learn. 12. I practice new steps daily. 13. I wear a pretty dress to dance. 14. I feel good when I dance. 15. I do warm up before dancing. 16. Dancing keeps my body fit. 17. I like fast and happy songs. 18. I want to be a good dancer. 19. I smile when I dance. 20. I love dancing from my heart.